These macaroons are irresistibly chewy and nutty, made of creamy coconut and almonds, all dipped in white chocolate. Today we're making coconut macaroons with a twist.
We added some almond flakes and of course made it very chocolatey. Prepare 2 cups desiccated coconut, slightly toasted, and 1 cup almond flakes, slightly toasted as well. In a small bowl, scoop 2 tablespoons of Easy's Best meringue powder and 2 tablespoons of water. Whisk and then beat in medium speed. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and then beat again until you get stiff peaks. Next, in a large bowl, put the coconut flakes and 1/4 cup Catalina Natural Dark Cocoa Powder. Whisk together. Add the almond flakes and then whisk again. Add 200 ml of condensed milk and 2 teaspoons vanilla flavor. Mix until well incorporated. Add the meringue mixture and then carefully scoop and fold until well combined.
Now put the mixture in piping bags with large hole at the tip. Pipe the macaroons on a silicone mat about 3 inches in length. Using a spoon, smoothen the sides and the ends of each piece. Try to make them as uniform as possible. Bake at 165 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 22 minutes. Let them cool and set aside. Melt 1/2 cup of Easy's Best chocolate chips. Then, put it in a piping bag. Melt 1 cup of white chocolate as well. Dip the macaroons halfway on the white chocolate. Let it set, then dip again. Once they have set, drizzle them with milk chocolate.
And ta-da!
These are truly a delightful mix of rich tastes and textures that are truly irresistible. This video is brought to you by Easy Bake. See you in the next one. Bye!